Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Gamma Progression Roman 2, only way. Start by identifying your starting weight and rep goal, then set a clear frequency for sessions. Record every set and note when you hit target reps, which triggers a small increase next time. Keep increases conservative and consistent to avoid burnout. Review weekly trends and adjust volume or rest to stay on track with steady strength improvements. Begin each session with a clear plan and warm up to prepare your nervous system and joints. Decide on your rep target and the allowable range for success that will trigger a weight increase. Use build sets to find your working weight and maintain consistent rest to reduce variability. Log every metric so you can apply the Gamma rule. If you meet targets, progress. If not, repeat or adjust volume to rescue the next session and keep momentum. Apply simple progression rules and stay flexible as fatigue accumulates over time. When you reliably hit your rep targets, add a small increment to the lift and continue tracking. If you miss targets repeatedly, reduce total volume or insert an extra recovery day instead of forcing weight increases. Small, frequent adjustments keep technique intact and limits injury risk. Treat the system as a feedback loop and adjust.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.